Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. Thank you very much. My name is Hikmah Aulia. Today I will tell you about the topic meaning and necessity. Number 1, background. The importance of understanding meaning in communication. Language is the primary tool in human communication of where in practice. Communication doesn't always go smoothly due to differences in understanding meaning. After the meaning conveyed by the speaker is the same as the meaning understood by the listener. This happens because of differences in context, differences in cultural background, lack of understanding of implied meaning. In daily meaning, understand have not only literal meaning but also hidden meaning. Truth can only be understood through context. Therefore, understanding meaning, especially pragmatic meaning, is cultural. By understanding pragmatic meaning, on one can inference discuss more accurately, avoid conflicts in communication more effectively and fluidly. Bagian B, problem formulation. One is meaning pragmatics. What is meanings in pragmatics? Understanding the basic concept of meaning in language, evaluating the role of pragmatic meaning in communication. So with the importance of context is interpreting meaning. Avoiding misunderstanding in communication. Hacking language and list ability. Tips of meaning. Number 1, lexical meaning. Lexical meaning is the basic meaning of our word text. Is contained with dictionary definition and is not evaluated by context or grammatical process according to Abdul Chair. Lexical meaning is meaning that has its of liquids. Legend. Characteristics: stable and fixed, no dependent and context, can be found in dictionaries. Explains measure up which of furniture for lacking text. Lari to move goicil with on speed. Hijau a color. Explain sentence. Adik saya sedang duduk di kursi. Kursi sama dengan a seat atau original meaning. Grammatical meaning. Grammatical meaning is a meaning that areas for grammatical phrases such as expression, reduction, and word order. Grammatical meaning and emerged for morphologians and statistical process in protest. Formation process, evacuation, prefix, suffix, makan, become, memakan, prefix, dimakan atau suffix, makanan atau suffix. Reduplicate, buku becomes, buku-buku atau plural. Composition atau word combination, rumah sakit means hospital atau combination of rumah and sakit. Karakteristik dependent on language structure, meaning can, will, home. Cannot stand alone. Explains, ajar means basis, mengajar means to teach, belajar means student. Explain, assistance, ibu memasak nasi. Sauce and activity, ini hasil masakan ibu. Shows the result of the activity. Types of context. Linguist context, meaning in textual context, list condition. Social context, something relationship between people. Characteristic, please bell, can have dependent constitution. Explicit, ringan, intense, in ringan, miss leak, whereas in masalah ini ringan, miss eses, esi. Panas, in cuaca panas mean hot, whereas in suasana panas mean tense. Explies, tense, dia punya kepala dingin, means calamity cold. Pragmatic meaning is a meaning related to the speaker intention in a communication station. According to Stephen Lewison, pragmatic students, the relationship between linguist meaning and context. Pragmatic focus. Speaker intention, communication situation, English meaning. Characteristics, no always literal. Involves conveying message. Influenced by school relationship. Explain, saya sangat lapar. Miss asking for food. Lampunya sangat terang. Miss asking to turn it off. Explain, dialog. In udara sini panas. Saya akan membuka jendela. Understand as implicit meaning atau implicit cultural. Bagian B, necessity in pragmatic meaning. Importance of understanding the intent meaning. Behave utterance, not just its literal meaning. In pragmatic meaning depend on the speaker, region, listen, information, and the context. Explain systems. It's all help. Literal meaning spatial context, space, time, and spatio-spatial context, relationship between speaker and listener, cultural context, cultural background, explain. Sentence you can come now. I can me permission in question of women. Latar belakang pentingnya memahami makna dalam communication. Bahasa merupakan alat utama dalam komunikasi antar manusia. Namun, dalam praktiknya, komunikasi tidak selalu berjalan dengan lancar karena adanya perbedaan dalam memahami makna. Seringkali, makna yang ingin disampaikan oleh penutur tidak sama dengan makna yang dipahami oleh pendengar. Hal ini dapat terjadi karena perbedaan konteks, perbedaan latar belakang budaya, kurangnya pemahaman terhadap makna tersirat. Dalam kehidupan sehari-hari, banyak tuturan yang tidak hanya memiliki makna harfiah, tetapi juga makna tersembunyi yang hanya dapat dipahami melalui konteks. Oleh karena itu, memahami makna, khususnya makna pragmatik, sangat penting. Dengan memahami makna pragmatik, seseorang dapat menafsirkan pesan dengan lebih akurat, menghindari konflik dalam komunikasi, berkomunikasi dengan lebih efektif dan santun. Rumusan masalah. Yang pertama, apa yang dimaksud dengan makna dalam pragmatik? Yang kedua, apa yang dimaksud dengan necessity, keharusan dalam pragmatik? Tujuan penulis. Yang pertama, memahami konsep dalam makna dalam bahasa. Dua, menjelaskan peran makna pragmatik dalam komunikasi. Yang ketiga, menunjukkan pentingnya konteks dalam menafsirkan makna. 4. Menghindari kesalahpahaman dalam komunikasi. Yang kelima, meningkatkan kemampuan menganalisis bahasa. Conclusion meaning is the core of language communication, functioning to convey messages from the speaker to the listeners. In the student of pragmatics, meaning is not only understand literal, but is also strongly influenced by context, situation, and the speaker. Intention, therefore, pragmatic meaning exercises the interpretation of an interaction can depend on the condition in which it's used. Necessity in pragmatics refers to the importance of understanding, meaning based on context, so that communication can run effectively and avoid mission by studying without just understanding the message conveyed might be misinterpreted. Overall, the understanding of meaning and necessity in pragmatics has important implication in both communication and language. It helps in interpreting plain meaning, improving communication effectiveness, and broadening the student of language beyond structure to include actual language is in relief context. Thus, communication can take place more clearly as read. Baik, adapun kesimpulannya, makna merupakan inti dari komunikasi, bahasa yang berfungsi untuk menyampaikan pesan dari penutur kepada pendengar. Dalam kajian pragmatik, makna tidak hanya dipahami secara harfiah, tetapi juga sangat dipengaruhi oleh konteks, situasi, dan maksud penutur. Oleh karena itu, makna pragmatik menekankan bahwa penafsiran suatu ujaran dapat berubah bergantung pada kondisi ketika ujaran tersebut digunakan. Nexity, keharusan dalam pragmatik mengacu pada pentingnya memahami makna berdasarkan konteks agar komunikasi dapat berlangsung secara efektif dan terhindar dari kesalahpahaman. Tanpa pemahaman tersebut, pesan yang disampaikan dalam ditafsirkan secara keliru. Secara keseluruhan, pemahaman tentang makna dan nexity atau keharusan dalam pragmatik memiliki implikasi yang penting, baik dalam komunikasi maupun linguistik. Pemahaman ini membantu dalam menafsirkan makna yang tersirat, meningkatkan efektivitas komunikasi, serta memperluas kajian bahasa yang tidak hanya berfokus pada struktur bahasa, tetapi juga pada penggunaan bahasa secara nyata dalam berbagai konteks kehidupan sehari-hari.